Good morning everyone, and today we've got some exciting Sonic the Hedgehog news to share. We've already had the official reveals of Sonic's Campfire Clash and Super Shadow vs the Biolizard, and now we have the final set from this wave officially revealed, introducing set 77002, Cyclone vs Metal Sonic, the third and final set launching on January the 1st, 2025. This set is in the middle tier in terms of value, retailing for $34 with a total of 290 pieces. Now the real selling point of this set is definitely the minifigure selection. As the name suggests, we're getting an exclusive Metal Sonic minifigure. That's right, Metal Sonic is finally here in LEGO form. Alongside Metal Sonic, we also get Tails, who features a brand new facial expression. The Cyclone is the main and only build in this set, and if you're familiar with the games, you'll know that it's a transforming vehicle created by Tails. The Cyclone is mainly coloured yellow and blue and grey and has enough space for Tails to pilot the brick-built machine. It's packed with details like a cockpit, posable legs, a turret with a stud shooter. The really fun part, the Cyclone can transform from walking to flying mode by folding and rotating its legs forward, just like in the game. With this set launching alongside Sonic's Campfire Clash and Super Shadow vs the Biolizard, January 2025 is shaping up to be an amazing day for LEGO Sonic fans. What do you think about this set? Will you be picking it up when it launches in just a few months? Are you excited for the exclusive Metal Sonic minifigure? And what other LEGO Sonic the Hedgehog sets are you hoping for in 2025? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a most wonderful day. Bye.